Aloha! Happy Saturday, February 22nd. Adele Brienne here, tuning in with my cute little bunny hat. So, it's going to be a quick one today, but today is a great day. I'm very excited. It's a gig day, and that's what that means is that I'm going to go work a gig today. So if you're not in the entertainment industry or you don't work events, what that means is there's like a one-off pop-up event thing happening today, and I'm going to be working at it. And it's a Alice in Wonderland unbirthday party. And so I'm going to be the White Rabbit today at my event. And I've also booked a character I'm going to do the Alice in Wonderland character. So I'm doing Alice, not myself, but I have my staff working. So later today, I'm going to set up my human table, which is a human table centerpiece. It's really cool. I'm the only person on Maui who has a human table. So it's a special item that I book for weddings and theme parties and corporate events and business events and mixers and things. So today we're doing a fundraiser and I'm super excited. And so I just want to share with you that I'm a multi-passionate entrepreneur. So I have my web design marketing business, and then I took those skills back in 2017 and I built a highly optimized website to showcase and promote my new business, which is an entertainment company here in Maui, Hawaii. So I book performers, minglers, characters for theme parties, and I really love it. It gives me a lot of pleasure. I love to book entertainers and performers and character actors, and I love to dress up myself. So sometimes I get to participate by actually being one of the characters. Sometimes I'm just the manager. Today I'm doing a little bit of both. So I'm going to set up the table, manage my talent, and also stroll around and mingle and take photos with the guests at this event. So it's really exciting day for me because I love gig days and I don't have them all the time. I would love to have more gigs. So if you have any events here on Maui and you want to connect with me, please reach out. You can visit my website, dazzlemaui.com, or find me on Instagram or Facebook. So it's a good day. I'm very excited. I also wanted to mention, I'm going to keep this pretty short, but on Monday, this coming Monday, 2 days from now at 9:30 a.m. Hawaii time, I'm going to be interviewing a business owner here on Maui, and it's going to be over on my Instagram page. So I'm going to drop the link there. I'd love to have you follow me on my Instagram page where I do more business promotion and I promote other small businesses on Maui. So Monday, 9:30 a.m. Hawaii time, I'm going to be interviewing Angela from Sugar Mama Studio. She is amazing. She's an esthetician on the west side, and we're going to just talk story and hang out and showcase a little bit about her business. And I'm super excited to do that. I'm going to start doing more live videos on Instagram as well, where I do showcase other businesses on Maui. So if you'd like some free promotion and you want to share your story and talk about why you're passionate about your business and why you love working on Maui, definitely tune in and check me out. I would love to schedule you and start doing live interviews with you or any of the other people that you like and recommend on the island. So that's coming up on Monday. Today is gig day, and I hope you're having a really great weekend, and I hope this has been fun for you. And I'll probably do a photo later of my whole outfit. It's pretty fabulous. And yeah, just wishing you wealth, abundance, and prosperity in your life. Thanks for tuning in. Aloha.